two.
Take two, y'all. 69. What's going on, y'all? I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. The whole thing with risk over reward, it's a real thing, guys, and I love making poor life decisions. I live and die on that hill, and I've brought it up many of times in front of y'all on camera. So, welcome to my new piss poor life decision. But, I mean, you don't see my beautiful face, you know, I'm not looking like Tool Jesus right now, but you will meet my business partner. He's got a beautiful face. It's definitely meant for radio, but we love him.
Absolutely.
Bill, how long have you been in this industry?
About 36 years.
So longer than I've been alive. Absolutely. So I've known Bill for about 9 years now. Hell of a mechanic.
It's been a long 9 years.
Yeah, I'm a pain. Okay, we all understand that. I'm a child, guys. So, along with poor life decision-making skills, being friends with this guy, I love him, though. Great guy. I mean, dude's way too smart for his own good. You guys will be getting more involved with Bill on the channel because, well, we'll be working together. Now, I hope you guys like shop renovation videos, and I know you guys like tools and tool talk and all that fun stuff. So this room has a lot of opportunity. Maybe opportunity for a podcast, maybe a studio, a bonfire. I mean, look at all these parts. It, you know, definitely screams bonfire and a bottle of whiskey. You like whiskey?
Absolutely.
Okay, he loves whiskey, so we're good on
good.
Alcohol is very good. So, after all this, we're definitely going to need it because we're going to be crying come July. But, as you can see, we need to really go through this, and we're going to go through every inch of this shop and make it something amazing. All right, so yeah, there's a room of opportunity. So we'll definitely go with that. Opportunity works well because life's full of it, and we're going to come navigate ourselves through the shop. There's a little bit of Bill. Everyone needs a little bit of Bill in their life. Would you agree with that statement, sir?
The wife does.
Oh, the wife does. Mine just tells me to leave her alone. I love my wife. Thank God for that woman. So as you can see, this is the bathroom. It needs to be gone through. This is a refrigerator and some wash basins, all that stuff. So this is going to be totally redone. Yeah, it's work, guys, but this is something that we're going to make into an awesome thing. This whole channel, everything that I'm doing is about growth and development. Well, we're going to grow this thing. And this is already a fully established business. And I would say we're very blessed in our circumstances. Yeah?
This place has been here about 20 years.
Yeah, so we're coming into a business that's been around for a while. So all this is going to change. Definitely throw some lipstick on this pig. I don't want to go and show the owner's stuff, but we're going to take you out in the shop now. So, as you can see, it is dark and dirty. It's a mess. Guys, I really want y'all to like, subscribe, and really be a part of this ride because things are going to change, and they're going to change quick, and it's going to be a process that I would say is worth it. Would you say it's worth it?
Absolutely worth it.
I mean, I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't. It's a scary endeavor.
But it's one that is worth pursuing.
I would 100% agree with that. So
we're leaving mundane jobs to take on this. It's something we both wanted to do, something I've done in the past, and now it's time to get back to it and get back into the roots of what I love to do, which is fix stuff.
Hey, I mean, there's a shop next door, guys. This man right here likes to steal the owner's popsicles. Absolutely. The popsicle bandit over here, but we love them. And guys, if you haven't checked out Broken Port Trading Co., go check out his channel. Definitely drop Banana Hammock in his comments because he deserves it. But you know, we already have a clientele established, ready to rock and roll come July. Yeah, so this is just a quick overview. Look at all the extra space for activities. Like, I'm so stoked for this. It's like a dream come true, wouldn't you say? My phone's about dead, but it is what it is. So, guys, stay tuned for this ride. Watch us build this shop up and turn it into something beautiful, guys. So, thank you very much. Later, y'all.